What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another banger. In today's video, I'm gonna give you new traders some tips of the trade so that way you guys can become successful a lot sooner. If you guys don't know about me, my name is Chris P. I've been trading for maybe 15 years on and off. I've had highs, I've had lows, ups and downs, and I've been through the roller coaster. Obviously, this channel is about Trusted Signals, which is the #1 indicator in the world. We have the amazing back-testable strategy in V3. If you guys want to go ahead and get Trusted Signals, use my code V3Beta for $1,000 off lifetime, and that is for a limited time. The next 5 people who use that are going to be able to go ahead and take that offer, so make sure you do so. Obviously, guys, Trusted Signals is going to go ahead and help you bridge the gap if you are a new trader. We have a bunch of videos. I've been posting videos daily, and I have a lot more videos coming out this week, next week, and so on and so forth. But getting into trading, right, it's not that easy. Everybody thinks that they're going to come into the trade game and start making millions of dollars out the gate, just like the gurus that you see, okay? And I would like to just say, it doesn't matter what strategy you have, there's going to be wins and losses. Obviously, you guys can see right here, we have a very profitable strategy, up 50% in the last month, but it's still only 71% profitable, right? Now, one thing about us is we literally take risk management super serious. Obviously, with this specific strategy, you have the ability to risk per trade. So that's, what I would definitely go ahead and do. Do not start taking trades, huge lot size, and all that good stuff. But basically, what I want to go ahead and give you guys, new traders, I want to go ahead and just talk to you guys and, give you some helpful tips that I would have found helpful if it was my first, few years trading, right? So pretty much my first tip to you guys is you have to take trading seriously. It has to be a thing that you take with full responsibility. You have to be fully committed into becoming the best trader that you can be. You have to take it as serious as a 9-to-5 job, okay? A lot of you guys are thinking that you guys are going to beat the 9-to-5 by trading, but that's simply not the case for most people. Most people do not take it seriously. They just literally hop on a trade. Maybe they go out for dinner. They see, people living the lavish lifestyle. Personally, if you want to take trading seriously, don't trade from mobile. Hop on a computer, guys, because I'm telling you right now, that's one thing that helped me take my trading to the next level. Number 2 is avoid shortcuts. Although Trusted Signals has a very profitable indicator and strategy, when you guys start system hopping, right, and you learn from one guru, then you're learning from the other guru, but then you're not actually taking those things that you learn and actually etching your sword every single day on the markets. What I would say is avoid all shortcuts, and if something sounds too good to be true, then most likely it is, okay? The next thing that I would definitely do is, or at least say, is give yourself a few years. Yes, Trusted Signals Automated Trader is going to take your trading way faster, right? I wish this was available when I was trading, because then obviously I would be the GOAT right now, right? I would be where a lot of these gurus are, and I've had amazing 20K days, 18K days. Just last month, I had an 18K day. If you're not inside the Discord chat, definitely join, right? And even though I've had those 18K days, when you really look at it from a longer standpoint, I've had a lot of unrealized profits, okay? Unrealized profits means you've made money, but you do not actually withdraw it. If you guys know me, I took a 3K account to $80,000 back during the crypto bull run. But guess what, guys? I was a holder, a hodler, and I did not actually sell. And I still have all the crypto that I held from that peak, okay? I was holding Mana at $5. It's at like 43 cents. XRP, 340. It's at 60 cents, right? And these are still coins that I hold. But you guys have to understand that it takes time. You have to learn. For me, It did take multiple years, but obviously because of the crypto bull run and because of the strategies and tools that Trusted Signals has offered, I've taken my trading a lot faster and I've gotten to where I want to be a lot faster. But still, you have to give yourself time. Secondly, okay, and this I actually removed the indicators, right? Because I don't want to go ahead and give you guys some false hope. I want you guys, new traders, to really soak this in before you even purchase any of these products. Because if you're not willing to go ahead and have your trials and tribulations, then trading is not for you. You're going to have ups and downs. Doesn't matter what strategies you have, what charts you're doing. And what brings me to my next thing is trade only a few charts. Obviously, you guys can see here, we have US30, we have GJ, we have Euro USD, and we have gold, right? We have gold. I only really recommend trading 1 to 2 assets and sticking with that because you can pretty much see exactly where this comes about, right? You're going to be able to see where the market is going. Oh, price likes to reject here. When you've already studied the markets and studied a specific chart over time, you're going to know where it goes after watching it, right? Everything is literally built into chart time, right? A next thing that I want to go ahead and, say is review and analyze all your trades, okay? Let me ask you this. Do you remember your last 10 trades? If the answer is no, then you have to go ahead and reconsider your strategy because you should know your last 10 trades, right? Unless you're using a bot, which a lot of us are using, obviously, if you're watching this channel, you should still open the charts when it tells buy and you hear these alerts fire. See what the market is doing. Understand why the indicator is giving you these buy and sell signals, okay? And like I said, even though we have a buy here, right? TP1, another buy, TP1, stop loss in profit, TP1, right? You have to understand the reasoning behind why the market is moving and doing such things. So that way, if, for example, you're just monitoring the charts right here, right? You can see where it's bullish, where it's bearish, and all that good stuff. And another thing that I want to go ahead and talk about is checklist. Have a checklist because if you have an actual checklist, it's going to be way better for you because you're going to have rules and regulations for you to enter a trade. Remember that Trusted Signals offers a V3 overlay and as well as an indicator. You guys can take the V3 overlay and wait for it to fire. And when it fires, you can also double check to see if that's a trade worth taking. And that's for those who do not have the actual back testable bot. If you guys do not know, Trusted Signals offers an overlay and an actual V3 bot. So the bot is going to give you the back testable versions, just how we can see right here, right? Let me go ahead and actually open this up, right? So this is the bot, and then the V3 overlay is going to go ahead and be the same thing, except with just the visuals, not the actual strategy tester. So that's what I'm saying. Even when Trusted Signals fires, take a look at it, see why it's firing. And if you're a manual trader and you're manually trading and not using automated trader, right? Automated trader is going to basically turn all of these alerts into basically robots for you. It's going to turn every single of these buys, every single one of these sells into bots for you. If you're not using automated trader and you're manually trading, figure out where when it says buy, is this an entry that you want, or do you want to be a little bit more patient? Does it match your confluence? Is it a bullish trend? Is it a bearish trend, and all that good stuff. One major tip that I would give new traders as well, if you are manual trading and not using any of these programs, is plan all of your trades in advance. Meaning, right? Let's say, for example, I'm watching the charts right here, okay? And we have a support and we have a resistance, right? And this is pretty much very simple, okay? This is a resistance zone. And then at the bottom here, we have a support, right? And I'm not going too crazy on the, analyzing because I just want to really let you know, right? Right now, we have a potential rejection right here. And as you guys can see here, we have some retests right here. If you were a new trader, how I would trade this without using Trusted Signals or automated trader or any indicators is by placing buy limits and sell limits, okay? Let's say, for example, if you're not familiar with what a buy limit and a sell limit is, then you obviously have to do some research on that. I can make a full video on that. But essentially, it's when you're placing an order down here for a buy. So as soon as it hits 220, obviously you can see right here to the right, 220, right? Let's say it comes down to 220. You can go ahead and add a limit with a stop loss. And if it comes down, it's going to go ahead and enter you a buy. Why would you want to do that? Because this is a trade. Rather than getting into a buy here, you can potentially get into a sell. But if you're patient, you know what they say, patience pays. Okay, guys? So stop loss and limits, buy limits and sell limits is really going to help you guys become more profitable, especially if you are using manual trading as a starter. Okay. And then leads me to my last thing is take full responsibility. Okay. Whatever happens in your trading, you are responsible for it. Do not blame your broker. Do not blame inside trading. Do not blame news. Do not blame your wife. Do not blame your kids. You are the only one to blame if you lose a trade. Okay, guys. And pretty much that's all for today. I just really wanted to go ahead and give this because I feel like it's value information for rookie traders, right? Rookie traders are everywhere, okay? I have friends who are just learning about trading right now. Hey, Chris, I saw that you trade. I saw that you made this amount in one day. Listen, guys, the fact of the matter is it takes a while to make those big gains. But if you stay consistent, keep trading fun, you will have those successful days. All right, guys, until the next video, right? Like I said, a video a day. I don't care if it's about Trusted Signals, if it's about whatever, okay? I'm making a video a day for the rest of the year, and I put that on my mama. All right, guys, until the next video, I'm out. Peace.